Welcome back to my YouTube channel, everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through resolving the issue of this phone number cannot be used at this time. Try again later, which commonly occurs when setting up a new Apple Idaho on your iPhone or iPad. If you encounter this error repeatedly after entering your phone number for verification, don't worry, there are steps you can take to fix it. Firstly, if you initially chose text message verification, try switching to phone call verification or vice versa. Sometimes, this simple switch can resolve the issue. Once you've made the change, proceed to the next step. If the problem persists, you can use a temporary phone number from a service like tempnumber.com. Simply select a country, choose a phone number, copy it, and paste it into the verification process. This can bypass any issues with your original phone number. After pasting the temporary number and completing the verification process, you should receive an OTP one-time password on the temporary number, allowing you to proceed with setting up your Apple ID. If you're still facing difficulties, you can seek assistance from Apple's official support website. Navigate to support.apple.com, select your device, iPhone or iPad, and follow the prompts to access support options. Once on the support page, choose the Call Us option, and if necessary, reach out to Apple's customer support team for further assistance. Explain the issue you're experiencing and they'll work to resolve it promptly. By following these steps, you should be able to overcome the phone number cannot be used at this time error and successfully set up your Apple Idaho without any further issues. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.